Hello everybody, this is Caleb, and in this video I'm going to demo this archetype, robust Java Starter archetype that I have created and published on Maven Central, and includes check style, spotbooks, and PMD. Most likely you know these tools, and it's already here. Now let's use IntelliJ IDEA for this purpose. Let's click on new project and let's change the catalog to Maven Central. If you click on Manage Catalogs, you will see that Maven Central is pointing to repo Maven Apache Maven 2, and we have our repository here in Maven 2 in repo, the same URL. All the links will be in the description. So if we look for our archetype, it's not here. I'm not sure why. Most likely will be ready. I'm not sure tomorrow, but I didn't want to wait to record this video. If you look for other guys like Adam Bien, I mean, this thing is working, but our archetype isn't arriving. So let's click on add. Why I will be able to click on add? It's because I manually put this information about our archetype in the archetype catalog central that Maven creates automatically. So I just put it over there. You don't have to do this. Don't worry. That's the whole point of providing this archetype, is that you just focus on write Java. So let's click on add catalog. It's archetype catalog central. Now, right now we can use our information, which I happen to know by memory. Starter archetype, and it's one version. Let's call it demo, and I think that's all. Let's click on create. And let's see how much time we have. 3 minutes. That's okay. And look at this. The Maven archetype is doing. Going to plug my laptop. It's doing its job. And here it is, Spock books, and all of these tools are down to the test compile phase, just when you are about to click this thing is missing. Update Maven indexes. We will see what's happening and how we are going to fix this. Let's focus on the code. So this archetype brings a simple class and the test of the class. Look at this, beautiful. Now this IntelliJ idea is some people say it's the most advanced Java IDE. Some other people use like Eclipse. It's up to you. You can use this archetype also with the B editor or any other text editor and invoke the archetype from the command line. The links are in the description on how to do that. IntelliJ IDEA is already detecting that there are no usage for this method and some other things. But these tools will provide you good assistance anyway. And in these days that we are, well, I haven't used a lot of these AI tools. Some people like to do that. And if you ask some AI tool to assist you and prompt for some methods or classes, most likely you will receive this sort of output. You can check by yourself, and that's why these tools are still relevant even when like you're using these tools. Now let's test. This I deleted the final keyword so you can see the kind of output by the tool. In this case, check style. Okay, I'm going to click here. I'm going to click test, double click, and it's running. It's executing, and you see parameter X should be final. Look at this. Look at this. And then you say to the AI assistant tool, oh, you provide me the ground. Some code that is not. It depends on your company, right? What kind of standards they are enforcing. But still, if you are, if you are a student, you might want to take a look at some Java standards. And then if you put you follow the instructions, should be final, Then this thing, I'm going to clean. There is no clean test. And then run test again. So it seems this is still in red. Execute my even goal. And there is a terminal over here if you want to type. Well, I'm just clicking over here. Again, I decided to put this on test compile because if you have some errors or not following the standards, you will save some time by not running the test. Okay, now clean again. Now let's demo the Spock books. One of the most common errors are the null pointer exceptions. So it was true and now it's no. Spock books has a lot of rules. Again, test. And it fails. It fails because it has a Boolean return type and returns explicit null. Maybe this doesn't make sense for you because you might say, why will I put null over here? But Sparkbooks, it's very helpful, and you really want to have that. Now let's put back this through. We already see it that it works. And now finally, let me show if I. Okay. Um, yeah, let's see how it goes with this. I'm not sure if you're able to see this output. Let me see. And PMD is now turned for PMD. 11 minutes. Okay, in use private method, which again, IntelliJ idea was already telling us no usages, but there are some other things that PMD brings to the table that you really want to have in your project so you can deliver the most high quality code to your repositories. Let's comment it again so we can pass the test, or you can delete it. And there you have it, a starting point. For your projects. Let us see over here. Test again so we can have a happy ending. And I I think I think this is the way we can. This is a good way to have more training data for these artificial intelligence algorithms. So in the future, these tools, AI assist, code assistant tools, will give you methods and classes that follows the standards enforced by these tools like check style. That was the justification that I told to myself, okay, this is needed. And then you can take it from here, use at Jakarta or any other dependency that you are working with. Hopefully this is helpful for someone. Thank you very much and see you in any other video. Bye.